Well on people. So today I feel a bit dry this morning. Um, but I do notice looking a whole lot leaner. Probably need to drink some water. But I think I'm pretty close to my weight goal, so let's see. Oh, this is not good. 126.5. Basically 127. Yeah, overshot it a little bit. Today is Wednesday. Alright, today we are having 3 boiled eggs again, purple cabbage, boiled chicken, rice, tea, plant-based protein shake, switching the whey protein out to get rid of the creatine, and avocado with the eggs for breakfast. Yep, that's it. Let's go. This morning we are here at Lion Pride to pick up our shorts. Yep. Shots look nice. Let's go.
My mama would tell me, be careful out there. I'm worried about them. I said, Mama, worry about them.
Morning, people. So today is Friday, the last day of weight cut, and I'm feeling dry, I'm feeling miserable, I'm feeling irritable and everything, but I'm getting really lean, so I guess I'm close to my weight goal. Yeah, I'll keep y'all posted. $127.5. This is the only calories we are having for today. We have dragon fruit, melon, pear or avocado, 2 fried eggs. That's it for the whole day. No water. Wish me luck. Well, I finished my fruits at 11:45. Finished my eggs, my avocado, and I'm dying. This sucks. So, the last day feels like heat exhaustion, hunger, tiredness, thirst, and a whole lot of sweat. Yeah. Hardest day of weight cut is always the last few days. And this is the last day. I'm feeling it. And I'm at work. Yay me. Alright, 1:30. Second layer goes on. And I look like a bleachers. But it's all good. It's all good. I rather sweat gradually than go in the sauna and sweat bullets for like 30 minutes or more. Who knows? But yeah, I'm trying to get as close to 125 right now as possible. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. The pressure is getting worse. 1 more pound.
Hold on. It's at 0.
Alright, tonight, after our weight cut, we have sweet and sour chicken, eggs, and rice. Let's go. And now we are back at 1:31 after eating and drinking.
This is mixed martial arts. This is Moneague. Shout out to Moneague coming for hosting us. You know the team now. Shout to that.
Mankind.
It's squishy as fuck.
Alright, Trey, take a piece of it from me now.
This video was brought to you by Lion Pride, for the lion in you.
Let's go, Kirk. Don't jump off of it. Whoa. Over and right.
Zang for the jab, then the body kick. Jab, body kick.
Kicks on the outside, fast hands on the inside.
Need to throw more straight and line up too big.
Over and right.
Line up too big.
Nice. Double jab in, Kirk. Double jab in and overhand right.
Straight shots, Zang, straight shots. You're winding up right now, straight shots.
Once you're inside, fast hands. That was the right, Kirk. Throw the right. Get that left hand up.
1 minute.
Double jab, then right hand. Double jab right. Boom.
Everything's a fucking hook down. Jesus Christ.
Straight punches, Kirk. Straight punches. No, it should be because he's shorter.
I'm going to wing them.
Kirk, close the distance and then throw the hands. Close the distance, throw the right hand. Kirk.
20 seconds and 20 seconds. Are you breathing like that? Yeah, I'm breathing. Cardio-wise, he's okay.
Inside leg kick. Inside leg kick. Time. That was the right hand, Kirk. That was the right hand.
You go first and last. First and last.
First and last. That's the right hand. Step back. Step back.
First and last, Dan. First and last. Zang, straight shots. Front kicks, side kicks, straight shots. Push the pace, Zang.
Just stay close to him. Don't give him no space. Throw the right hand after the jabs.
Zang, push the pace.
Yes, yes. Boom. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Work, work. Up high now, Kirk. Up high. Kirk, his hands are low. His hands are low. Over on right, Kirk. Over on right. Stop kicking close. Yes, Kirk. Yes. Turn around.
Put your shots together.
Right there. Overhand right.
Don't let him out of that.
Jabs, jabs. Get him against the cage. Jabs and overhand right. Jabs and overhand right. Boom.
Zang, put your shots together. 1 minute.
Yeah, man. Walk him down. Walk him down. Don't give him space. Don't give him space.
Zang, use your hands. Start with your hands, finish with your legs.
Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Kirk, hands up. Hands to your head, Kirk.
Put the shots together. Put the shots together. 30 seconds.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
No kicks on the inside. Come on. Get close and throw the hands.
Time.
That's it. That's the right idea. That's the right idea. Do it again. But you want me on the inside.
Judges have it.
No. I'll save to me, I think. Zang. Don't let him out.
Yes, Kirk. Stay close.
Okay, man, stop fucking kicking on that.
Use the uppercuts now, Zang.
No uppercuts. Overhand.
Overhand or straight shots, Zang. Stop with that wide hook.
Jabbing. Yes. Yes. Jab him. No, Kirk. Fight, boy.
Yes, Naldo.
Halfway through.
Kirk, when you get close, overhand.
Halfway through.
Yes, then.
Check it out, sir. Let's go.
Now, overhand. Yes. Open your mouth and breathe, Kirk. Open your mouth and breathe.
Let's go. Hands up.
stand still, brother.
That was it, Kirk. That was it. Overhand now. Overhand now.
Them say my call them not breathe. When I stand before when you fall.
Yeah. That's it, Kirk. Fight him bamba clot, Kirk. Fight him Ross. Fight him blood clot. Don't let out him bamba clot. Fight him Ross.
10 seconds on. 10 seconds.
Kirk should win this one.
Huh?
Kirk should win this one.
Never give up.
Yo, man not lie. That brother yeah tough no backside. The man have a piece of chin. The amount of time I thump the man in him head and him just wouldn't go down. The man just did it. Jesus Christ. Brother, how are your head make out of? Jeez. So the fight was ruled a draw. Not very happy about that decision. Feel I could have done better in terms of like preparation wise, but this is my first time, experiencing something like this, so lots of lessons were learned. I definitely learned that weight cutting is a fight before the fight, and that was not fun at all. It was very draining, and it felt like my body needed a little bit more time to recover after cutting 11 or 12 pounds. Yeah, I think 11 pounds. Like the 24-hour wasn't enough for my body to fully recover. I think that's what held me back a lot. But it was a damn good fight. I had lots of fun, and big up to Ronaldo. The man tough. Him tough. Landed a couple good shots on me. And yeah, honestly, damn good fight. See there? Evidence of the shots landed. Good fight. Good damn fight. Lots of fun. Definitely will do it again. Just have to prepare better next time. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more.